In today's industrial world, safety is crucial. But how can you be sure the products you use are truly safe and reliable? The answer is certification. As a global leader in testing, inspection and certification, TÜV independently verifies that products meet international standards for safety, reliability, and quality. When you see the TÜV logo, you know that product has passed extensive tests and meets industry standards. Our Variogate has successfully passed the rigorous TÜV certification process. It even includes the Dutch glass barrel slinger-proof glass bead swing test, along with numerous additional tests to ensure superior performance and safety. We are certified for design and manufacturing, railings, welded parts, and quality management system. This test assesses the material durability of Variogate, confirming its ability to withstand harsh conditions and maintain peak performance under stress. By choosing carefully validated and certified products like Variogate, you're investing in safety and reliability, ensuring your workplace is protected. Trust in quality.